Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the biggest game changers in online marketing, follow-up funnels. Did you know that 81% of sales happen after the fifth follow-up? Yet most businesses give up after just one or two attempts. If you're struggling to convert leads into paying customers, stick around because I'm about to break down the follow-up funnel formula that can double, even triple your revenue. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button if you're excited to level up your marketing. And don't forget to subscribe for more business growth strategies every week. In this video, you're going to learn why follow-ups are the secret weapon of high-income businesses, the two types of follow-up sequences that make customers take action, how to automate follow-ups using multi-channel strategies, and a simple framework to write high-converting follow-up messages. Stick with me, because at the end, I'll also share an easy-to-implement action plan so you can start using follow-up funnels today. Most businesses focus on getting new leads, but they forget that the real money is in the follow-up. Let me ask you this. Have you ever signed up for something but didn't take action right away? Maybe you got distracted, got busy, or just forgot. That's what happens to your leads too. A study by the Association of Sales Executives found that only 2% of sales happen on the first interaction. That means if you're not following up, you're leaving 98% of your potential revenue on the table. There are two types of follow-ups that every business needs. Soap opera sequence. This is a 5-day automated sequence designed to build trust and get your new lead emotionally invested in your brand. Daily Seinfeld emails. These are fun, story-driven daily emails that keep your audience engaged and ready to buy. Think about it like a TV series. The soap opera sequence is like the first few episodes, getting you hooked on the characters. The Seinfeld emails are the daily episodes that keep you coming back for more. Imagine waking up every day with customers excited to hear from you and ready to buy. That's the power of these two sequences. Most businesses rely only on email. But let's be real, 87% of emails go unopened. That's why follow-up funnels should be multidimensional. Here's how you can reach customers where they actually pay attention. Email. Still effective, but don't rely on it alone. SMS and WhatsApp, 98% open rates. People check their texts within 3 minutes. Retargeting ads. Ever noticed an ad following you after visiting a website? That's retargeting. Use it to stay top of mind. Facebook and Instagram DMs with AI chatbots, you can automate messages that drive people back to your offers. Combining these creates a 360-degree follow-up system, making it almost impossible for a customer to forget about you. Here's the 3-part framework for writing powerful follow-up messages. 1. Hook, grab attention with a curiosity-driven subject line or opening sentence. 2. Story, share a short, engaging story that builds trust or highlights a problem. 3. Offer and call to action. Make it clear what they should do next. Reply, click a link, book a call. For example, subject, you're leaving money on the table. Main body, hey, name, I just saw your application come in and I wanted to make sure you didn't miss this opportunity. Last week, I shared how Success Story turned their business around with this strategy. Now it's your turn. Click here to book a free strategy call before we close applications. See how that works? Attention, trust, action. That's the key to writing messages that get results. So here's your action plan to start using follow-up funnels today. Step 1, set up a soap opera sequence for new leads, 5 emails. Step 2, start sending daily Seinfeld emails to keep your audience engaged. Step 3, add at least one multi-channel follow-up, SMS, retargeting, or DMs. Do this, and you'll see an instant increase in conversions and sales, guaranteed. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and let me know in the comments, which follow-up method are you going to try first? Email, SMS, or retargeting ads? And if you want more marketing strategies like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.